What are the signs of fiduciary misconduct that beneficiaries should watch for? Imagine trusting someone with your loved one's estate, only to find out later they might not have acted in your best interest. That's why spotting signs of fiduciary misconduct is so important. When someone is named as an executor, trustee, or personal representative, they have a legal duty to manage estate or trust assets honestly and carefully. If they violate this duty, it can hurt the people they are supposed to protect. Recognizing these warning signs early can help prevent serious losses or unfair treatment. A fiduciary is supposed to act with loyalty, care, and openness. Misconduct happens when they ignore these standards. Sometimes it's just carelessness, but other times it's intentional wrongdoing. If a fiduciary makes repeated mistakes, or if they act in ways that seem to benefit themselves rather than the estate or trust, that's a red flag. It's important to watch for behaviors that don't align with their responsibilities. One common sign is when a fiduciary refuses to share financial records or account statements. Beneficiaries have the right to see how estate or trust assets are being managed. If they are ignored or told they cannot see these documents, it could mean something is wrong. Another warning sign is when the fiduciary doesn't follow the instructions in the will or trust. For example, if they change how assets are distributed without a legal reason or ignore court orders, it's cause for concern. Mismanagement of assets is another big indicator. This could mean making risky investments, neglecting to pay taxes or bills, or letting property fall into disrepair. Even if the fiduciary's intentions are good, careless management can cause harm. Self-dealing is also a serious issue. If they use estate money for personal expenses, invest in their own business, or favor certain beneficiaries unfairly, it shows a conflict of interest. Delays in distributing assets or settling the estate can be signs of trouble. While some delays are normal, persistent holdups without a clear reason should raise alarms. If account balances don't add up, or if expenses seem unusually high without explanation, it might point to mismanagement or theft. Ignoring questions or concerns from beneficiaries is another red flag. A fiduciary should be transparent and willing to address legitimate worries. If you notice any of these signs, it's wise to keep detailed records of all communications and suspicious activities. Consulting an attorney experienced in estate or elder law can help you understand your rights. Legal options might include asking a court to remove the fiduciary, recovering losses, or even pursuing criminal charges if theft is involved. Especially with older adults, vigilance is key. Sudden changes in estate plans, large gifts to new caregivers, or being cut off from financial information could be signs of exploitation. Acting quickly can protect your loved ones and ensure the estate is handled properly. Remember, staying alert and informed is your best tool to prevent or address fiduciary misconduct.